This is my bike. I got a few new things, so I thought I'd make a video. These are the same bears, Colt leader bears, Primo grips, Odyssey bear ends, jump off remix, animal stem, stock front wheel and forks, Odyssey path tire, Shadow pivotal seat, Shadow 25 tooth sprocket and Primo pedals, purple KMC chain. This is a Primo hub guard. It's not on, it's just my friend gave it to me. I had to put it in, put it on. Bottom bracket stock, same with the headset. The back tires, Odyssey. I'm not sure on this rim. I think it's an Odyssey 7K. I got it used. This side I got a BSD hub guard, and I got a Odyssey set.